Hi, my name is Scott Ryers from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Do a video walkthrough of this 2024 NXT20. Inside the boat here, we went with the Cool Feel Beach Tan on the whole entire boat. 20-foot boat, but as you can see, it has a nice, very wide bow. Easy, 3 people can sit up there. 2 speakers up in the front there. Coming back through the walkthrough here, we do have the door to close off to keep that cool air out in those fall or early spring boating sessions. Nice big seat here, built-in or storage all underneath this whole area. All comfortable seating, wraparound seating, built-in cooler. Over to the captain's chair. New for 2024 is the new touchscreen on the NXTs. So everything's on the touchscreen now. All your surf system, stereo, everything's all integrated. Super handy, easy, convenient, very nice. So exciting for this year. Super nice, clean, low-profile dash. Got the Clish speakers, cup holders. We've got the Z6 tower with the folding wakeboard, wake surf racks. And we got the advanced audio. So we got 2 tower speakers up top. And we have the subwoofer in the boat here. So 6.0, 380 horsepower motor. Awesome boat. Great surf boat. Great wake boat. Great cruising boat. So come on out. Check out this NXT20 at MarineMax, new 2024. It'll be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. It's going to be here at the store with a lot of other Mastercrafts to come and check out. And you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.